Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Audi TT rear lights. First, open your trunk and find the small access panels on either side. Gently peel back the carpet lining to reveal the back of the light unit. Then, locate and carefully disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its release tab. This ensures no power flows to the lights during removal. Next, look inside the trunk area behind the light unit. You will see 3 retaining nuts or bolts holding the light in place. Use a 10mm socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove all 3 of these fasteners. Make sure they are completely detached before proceeding to the next step. Keep these small parts safe for reinstallation. With the fasteners removed, gently pull the entire light unit straight outwards from the vehicle body. It might feel a little snug due to alignment pins, but it should come free with a steady pull. Be mindful of any remaining clips or wiring. Once detached, place the light assembly in a safe, clean area to prevent damage. When reinstalling, first clean the mounting area on the car body. Carefully align the light unit with the bodywork and push it firmly into place. Reattach the 3 retaining nuts or bolts and tighten them securely. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector and test all light functions, including brake and turn signals, before fully closing the trunk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.